So now you're probably thinking, Miss Dion, how does this relate to inequalities? Well, let me show you. So Ethan and Ethan are having a socially distanced party at Sky Zone. Together they have $150 to spend. Sky Zone charges $20 to rent and $7.50 per person for pizza. How many people can they invite to their party? So first, let's think about our cubes method, right? So again, I went ahead and started circling. So they're having a socially distanced party at Sky Zone. Together, they have $150 to spend. Okay, the Sky Zone charges $20 to rent. So they have back rooms that you can rent. And then per person for pizza. How many people can they invite to their party? So let's think about that. So let's define the variable. So we're going to let P be the number of people. So now let's write out our equation. So together they have $150 to spend. So at most they have $150 to spend. Writing this as an inequality, we can write that they have less than or equal to $150. Okay, so it costs $20 to rent the room, and it costs $7.50 per person. So now we can go ahead and solve this inequality. Alright, so you probably found that P is less than or equal to 17.3. So that means we can invite 17 people at most. So they can invite 17 people at most, right? Because you can't have 0.3 of a person, but that less than or equal to sign tells us that at the most, this is what P is going to be.